Hey guys, this is just a quick rundown video over vector drawings. Right now I am in Gravit Designer, which is a free online program to create vector drawings. Now a vector is basically just a line or a path made up of points and mathematical curves. So right now in Gravit Designer you can see all of these tools across the top. The most important tool that you'll be working with is this path tool or the pen tool. What you'll notice is that once you start making points on your canvas, you can see this line starting to appear. All of my lines so far are just straight. You can see the line, like the preview line here, wherever it's going to create the line. You can just start drawing. Now say you wanted to create a curved line. To do this, you simply put your point wherever you want it to be, the end of the curve. Then you hold down your mouse, and then with your free hand, you move around these, or what are called handlebars, to create this curve. The handlebars allow you to decrease the curvature, increase it, extend it any which direction you need it to go. You'll notice when I let go, it naturally creates a second curve that just naturally progresses into a second beautiful curve. Maybe though you don't want it to curve, you want it to be a nice point. To create a point instead of a curve, all you have to do is click on the point and then you're ready to create the next line. So you can see it's created a nice point instead of just a curve. There we go. Okay, so now I've got this line here, this path, and maybe you're ready to end it. You are done with the path, but you can see right here, I still got this path that wants to be created, this extra line. To untoggle this and to end your line, all you have to do is click enter. And there we go. There's our nice, perfect path. This allows you can move it around now, and you can see it's just one continuous line across your page. From here, you can change the border, the width, the color of your line. So over here in this section, you can change the width of it. You can change the color. You can even change the ends. If I zoom in, you'll notice that the end of my path here is very chopped off, squared off. To adjust that, maybe you want it rounded. To adjust it, all you have to do is click on these three little advanced stroke settings and come up here to ends. You can round it, you can cut it off, and you can even square the end. So there are a lot of things that you can do to adjust the look of your path. Say you want to fill this in and make a nice finished shape. To do this, make sure you're clicked on it. You come over to fill, and then you select this button, and you can fill in the shape. You can see it naturally wants to close this shape off, but you'll notice that there's no border on this edge. To finish off our shape, all we need to do is connect another path line from here and then finish it off here. But here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to accidentally go in and just start drawing a path. You'll notice all I'm doing is creating a second line. It's not connected to the green one, and it's its own path. It's not finishing off my shape at all. Instead, what I want to do is make sure I'm on this sub-select button, click on my path, and see all of these points appear. This allows me to then click on the path tool and continue my path. You can see it naturally wants to continue right where I left off. From here, I can just go right back up to my starting point and end it off, and it creates this closed shape. Now it's all finished. From here, if you want to adjust the points or the curves of your points, all you have to do is click again on this sub-select button or on the letter D on your keyboard. D stands for direct selection. From here, you can choose any point that you want, move it around and adjust it to this exact spot that you need it to go. You can even change the curvature of some of your lines. You'll notice these handles appeared. Again, you can just click, move it around wherever you need it to go, and really get those curves and your paths in the perfect spot so that it looks really clean and your paths look really nice and sharp. Again, from here, all you have to do to adjust any of these things is come over here. You can even change the color, you can change the border width. All of that is accessible to you right over here in this panel. You can even hide and reveal the border, the fill, whatever you need. Paths are a little tricky to work with, but once you guys get the hang of it, I know you'll do great. Good luck.